What if I told you that your assumptions shape your reality? That what you believe about yourself and your life determines what you attract? Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the 5 laws of assumption that will help you be something wonderful. Law 1, the law of mental creation. Your mind is the blueprint of your reality. Harvard Medical School studies in neuroscience show that the brain doesn't distinguish well between imagination and reality. Example: if you assume you're confident, your brain rewires to act that way. Start assuming the best version of yourself. Your mind will follow. Michael Phelps visualized every race before swimming, assumed victory, then achieved it. If you assume you're a winner, your brain will find a way to make it true. Law 2, focus fuel. What you fixate on grows. Brain fact. Your RAS, reticular activating system, highlights what matches your beliefs. Real life hack. Write down your goal every morning. It trains your brain to spot opportunities. Assume you're lucky, and suddenly, you are. The law of persistent focus. What you focus on expands. Example: ever noticed how, when you want a red car, you start seeing them everywhere? That's your assumptions at work. Assume success, and opportunities will appear. Law 3, the law of emotional alignment. Your feelings confirm your assumptions. Fact: emotions are feedback loops. Positive emotions reinforce empowering beliefs. Psychology today. Example: if you feel like a failure, you'll act like one. Shift your emotions, shift your life. Fake it till you make it. Number: feel it till you become it. Law 4, the law of detachment. The harder you cling, the more it slips away. Fact: a study in the Journal of Positive Psychology found that people who practice detachment achieve goals faster. Example: assume you'll get the job, but don't obsess. Stay open to better opportunities. Assume it's yours, then let it come naturally. Law 5, the law of self-concept. You can't outperform your self-image. Fact: your self-concept dictates your behavior. Research by Dr. Maxwell Maltz. Example: if you see yourself as unlucky in love, you'll sabotage relationships. Change your self-talk. Change your life. There you have it. The 5 laws of assumption that will help you be something wonderful. Your beliefs shape your world, so why not assume the best? Drop a comment below. Which law resonated most with you? And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more life-changing content. See you in the next video.